Good day everyone, I am Mark Jervin Pinta, and for today's episode we will be talking about the Executive Department of the Philippines and the different offices, secretaries, and its function to the Philippine government. First, we will be talking about the Executive Department. It is the largest component of the executive branch of the Philippine government. It comprises the largest part of the country's bureaucracy. It is headed by our President, Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr., who acted both head of the state and head of the Philippine government. To begin with, the Department of the Agrarian Reform or kagawaran ng reformang pangsaka o dito tinutukoy o pinapahalagahan ang pagbabago at pagkakaroon ng maayos at payapang reforma sa pagsasaka ng bawat magsasakang mamamayan ng Pilipinas. It was formed on September 10, 1971, and its secretary was Conrado Estrella III. Next, we have the Department of Agriculture or kagawaran ng pagsasaka. This is established to or for the benefits of all the farmers of the Philippines. It is to give benefits like fertilizers and different seeds for them to grow. It was established on June 23, 1898, and its secretary or the Secretary of the Agriculture is Ferdinand Chu Laurel Jr. Next, we have the Department of Budget and Management or kagawaran ng budget at pamamahala. It was established on April 25, 1939 for the Philippine budget and our annual budget of the Philippines for us to have growth income or Philippine growth. And the Secretary of the Budget and Management was Amena Pangandaman. We have the Department of Education. Under the Department of Education are kagawaran pang edukasyon. This is established to have or upang magkaroon ng Pilipinas ng maayos at magandang kalidad ng edukasyon para sa lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino. It was established on January 21, 1901, and the Secretary of Education is currently Sani Angara. We also have the Department of Energy or kagawaran ng enerhiya. This is established to have the Philippines enough energy or electric powers for annuals. We also have it was established on December 9, 1992, and the Secretary of Energy currently is Rafael Lotilla. So we also have the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR or kagawaran ng kapaligiran at likas na yaman. It was established to have the right of the Filipinos or the Philippines to have enough natural resources like our pearl of the oceans. We also have the different likas na yamang dagat natin. They are established to have the control of using or importing and using the using our natural resources. It was formed on January 1, 1917, and its current Secretary of the Environment and Natural Resources is Tony Yulo Laizaga. We also have the Department of Finance or the kagawarang pananalapi. This is established or its purpose is to have the Philippines the correct allocations of the money or budget It was established on April 17, 1897, and the Secretary of Finance is Ralph Recto. Next, we have the Department of Foreign Affairs or the DFA. Kagawarang Ugnayang Panlabas. It is established to have an equal right for our foreign Filipinos who work abroad and who live abroad for to have communications and to give them the right to work. It was established on June 23, 1898, and the Secretary of Foreign Affairs is Enrique Manalo. We also have the Department of Health or Kagawaran ng Kalusugan. This is to ensure that every Filipinos have the privilege to hospitalize for free or with discounted price. It is to ensure that every Filipino has the right to maintain their health, and it was established on September 10, 1898. And the Secretary of the Health or the Secretary of the Department of Health is Ted Herbosa. Next, we also have the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development or the Kagawaran ng Pananahanang Pantao at Pagpapaunlad ng Kalunsaran. Or dito, nagkakaroon tayo ng human settlement, kumbaga binibigyan ng karapatan o pabahay dito sa DHSUD or Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. Ni-establish ito upang magkaroon ng karapatan ang mga walang tahanan o mabigyan ng tahanan yung mga kapos o walang kakayahang magkaroon ng sariling tahanan. It was established on February 14, 2019, and the Secretary of Human Settlement and Urban Development is Jose Acozar. We also have the Department of Information and Communication Technology or the Kagawarang Teknolohiyang Pang-Impormasyon at Komunikasyon. It was established to have an day-to-day basis of the news inside and outside our country. It is established to for us to be globally aware for what is happening all over the world. It was established on June 9, 2016, and the Secretary of the Information and Communication Technology is Ivan Jan Uy. We also have the Department of Interior and Local Government or the Kagawarang Pang-Interior at Pamahalaang Lokal. This is established to have a local government or lokal na pamamahala sa Pilipinas at magkaroon tayo ng sapat na kaalaman sa iba't ibang batas. At it was established on March 22, 1897, and the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government is John Vic Remulla. Have the Department of Justice or Kagawarang Katarungan. It was established for every Filipinos or to have the right of every Filipinos to gain or to have an equal right, or ito ay pinatupad upang magkaroon ng bawat Pilipino na nasasakdal or nakakamit ng krimen na malitis kung sila ba ay guilty or not guilty for their cases. It was formed on April 17, 1897, and the Secretary of Justice is Jesus Crispin Remulla. Next, we have the Department of Labor and Employment or Kagawarang Paggawa at Empleyado. It is established to have every workers of the Philippines have the right to accept or to have the exact amount of bills or what do we call this payment for their hard work inside their institutions where they work. It was established on December 8, 1933, and the Secretary of Labor and Employment was Bienvenido Lagismo. So we also have the Department of Migrant Workers. It was established to have um, the right of or to give the right of every migrant workers all over the countries or all over the world, or it is also called as Kagawaran ng Manggagawang Pandayuhan. It was established on February 3 rather 2022, and the Secretary of Migrant Workers is Hans Kakdak. So have the Department of National Defense or Kagawaran ng Tanggulang Pambansa. It was established to have the defensive or the defense mechanisms, or to have um, um, the equal, or what we call this, the right defenses for our countries if there are wars, for instance. It was established on November 1, 1939, and the Secretary of the National Defense is Gilbert Teodoro. We also have the Department of Public Works and Highways, or Kagawaran ng mga Panggawain at Lansangang Bayan. It is established to have, or ginawa ito upang magkaroon ng maayos at mapayapang paggawa sa lansangan, at magkaroon din tayo ng maayos na daanan. It was established on June 23, 1898, and the Secretary of Public Works and Highways is Manuel Bonoan. Department of Science and Technology, or Kagawarang Agham at Teknolohiya. It was established to have to be globally competitive in the futures, and this established to have the right of the researchers to do their works as they conducted scientific technologies or scientific measurements to search for what we call this or what we use, or what we can use for our futures or next generations. It was established on January 3, 1987, and the Secretary of Science and Technology is Renato Solidum Jr. Next, we also have the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or the DSWD, or Kagawarang Kagalingan at Pagpapaunlad ng Panlipunan. It was established for all the what we call this one, those people who doesn't have enough money to buy something or for their goods. This is for DSWD is established to give all the Filipinos who doesn't have enough money the right to live. They are the one who been what we call this one, giving the right to live for the for everyone who are pinagkaitan ng pamumuhay sa palabas, ganun, o panlipunan. So have the Department of Tourism, or Kagawaran ng Turismo. It was established to have our country enough time and enough tourist spots for us to be globally known and globally competitive in the pictures. It was established to be to show globally our country has its beautiful islands and beautiful tourist spots. It was established on June 23 or May 11, 1973, and the Secretary of Tourism is Cristina Frasco. Have the Department of Trade and Industry, or the DTI, are Kagawarang Kalakalan at Industriya. It was established for all the it was established to have fair trade in the industry of the kalakalan at industriya, upang magkaroon tayo ng sapat na sila ay um, ginawa upang magkaroon ang Pilipinas or bawat mangangalakal ng taxes na nararapat para dun sa mga produktong kanilang kinakalakal. It was established on June 23, 1898, and the Secretary of the Trade and Industry is Cristina Aldiger Roque. Next, we have the Department of Transportation or kagawarang Pantransportasyon. Ito ay ginawa or naisa batas na mag-isa sa mga offices under the executive branch upang magkaroon ng batas sa pagkakaroon ng malaya at maayos na paggamit ng transportasyon dito sa Pilipinas. It was established on January 23, 1899, and the Secretary of Transportation is Jaime Bautista. We have the National Economic and Development or Development Authority or NDEDA or Pambansang Pangasiwaan sa Kabuhayan at Pagpapaunlad. Ito ay naisabatas or nagawa upang magkaroon ng maayos na pangangasiwa sa pangkabuhayan at pagpapaunlad ng lipunan at ito ay naisabatas noong December 23, 1935, and the Secretary of the NEDA or the National Economic and Development Authority is Arcerio Balisacan. Thank you. That's all. It comprises all the different offices, secretaries, and the task of its offices and secretaries under the department or the executive department of the Philippines or the executive branch. So this ends my video presentations. Hope you like it and hope you acquire knowledge. Until next time, see you until next time. Bye.